National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Highland County, western Pike County, northeastern Adams County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Marshall, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of northeastern Adams, southeastern Highland and western Pike counties, including Cynthiana, Serpent Mound, Elm Grove, Idaho, Poplar Grove, Smoky Corners, Locust Grove, Sinking Spring and Kincaid Springs. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILM and submit a report via social media when you can do so safely. Now